This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream at home in a mold using an easy method. First, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and any flavorings you love, like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. Make sure your mold is clean and ready. This no churn method is perfect for beginners and doesn't require any fancy ice cream machines, making it super accessible for everyone. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whip your cold, heavy cream until it reaches soft peaks. This creates the airy texture we want. Next, carefully fold in the sweetened condensed milk until just combined. Be gentle to maintain the airiness. Finally, stir in your desired flavorings, like a few drops of food coloring or 1/4 cup of fruit puree, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to get it into the mold. Carefully pour the ice cream base into your chosen mold, filling it almost to the top. Smooth out the surface with a spatula if needed. Cover the mold tightly with plastic wrap or a lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, but for the best results, let it freeze overnight. After freezing, your homemade ice cream is ready to enjoy. To easily remove it from the mold, you can briefly run the outside of the mold under warm water for a few seconds. Then, simply invert it onto a plate or slice it directly from the mold. Serve immediately and savor your delicious, creamy creation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.